Ever wonder how plastic and rubber products get their strength and smooth finish? The secret ingredient? Talc powder. But how do we turn raw talc into the fine powder manufacturers need? That's where talc powder mills come in. They're the game changers in material processing. Think about your car's dashboard, household appliances, or even medical devices. Many of these contain talc-enhanced plastics that make them more durable and heat-resistant. Traditional processing methods can be inconsistent and waste energy, but modern talc mills use advanced grinding technology to create perfectly uniform particles. This precision means better material distribution throughout your plastic or rubber compounds. The result? Products with enhanced mechanical properties and superior surface quality. For manufacturers, this translates to fewer defects and higher production efficiency. Plus, these mills are designed with energy savings in mind, good for both your budget and the environment. Whether you're making automotive parts, packaging materials, or consumer goods, the right talc powder makes all the difference in your final product's performance. And with automated control systems, operators can maintain consistent quality batch after batch. No more guessing games, just reliable, repeatable results every single time. The particle size distribution is crucial for optimal dispersion in your polymer matrix. Too coarse and you get weak spots. Too fine and processing becomes difficult. Talc powder mills hit that sweet spot where every particle works perfectly with your materials. This isn't just about making powder. It's about creating value throughout your manufacturing process. From reduced cycle times to improved product characteristics, the benefits add up quickly. Many facilities report significant cost savings after upgrading to modern talc milling systems. The return on investment often surprises even the most skeptical plant managers. Maintenance is straightforward too, with easy access components and smart monitoring features. Downtime becomes minimal, keeping your production lines running smoothly. Safety features ensure protection for both operators and equipment during operation. As industries demand higher performance from their plastic and rubber products, the role of properly processed talc powder becomes increasingly important. It's not just an additive, it's a performance enhancer that elevates your entire product line. Ready to transform your manufacturing process with superior talc powder? The right milling solution could be the competitive advantage you've been looking for.